Good day, everyone. In today's presentation, we will talk about business intelligence technologies presented by Group 7. Next slide will be presented
Okay.
by Elsa.
Okay, first of all, I'm going to explain about what is BI technology. BI is a technology-driven field with a flow of technical innovation, timeline of decision support, and BI system and technologies. Market for BI technology measure in tens of billions of US dollars. Next slide, please. Next slide is data collection and storage. Technologies for data collection and storage with BI function in mind: database, data warehouse, data marts, data lakes, data vaults, other collections. First one is data marts, a local scale data warehouse or a low-level repository that contains domain-specific information in the activity area of a single business unit. The next one, data lakes. Data lakes store mostly raw or mixed data, structuring only what's necessary, a concept opposite to data warehouse. And the last one, data vaults, built on assumption that all data in an organization is relevant data and should be kept together. Next slide, please. Next slide, there is multidimensional analysis and online analytical processing, or we can call OLAP. OLAP technology is based on relatively simple approaches that serve to answer many relevant business questions. Next slide, please. Okay, there is 5 OLAP operation. The first one is rollup, also called consolidation, or aggregation. Summarize the values of data and produce totals along the dimension. The next one, drill down, allows analysts to navigate deeper into dimension of data, like drilling down from month to week or from region to municipality to examine sales growth for a product. This operation helps to focus on a root of problem. The next one, slicing, enabled to take a subset of data along a single instant of a certain dimension, such as sales in November 2019. The next one, dicing, enables to take a data subset from several dimensions. For example, sale of composite fishing rods in store X in the last quarter of 2018. The last one, pivot. New views of data can be produced by rotating the data axis of the cube. Next slide, please.
Okay, from this slide, I'll explain about the use of simple self-service tools in role of Excel. So first is diverse problem and functionality. The broad variety of business processes and problems limit the number of users for a specific tool. Universal applications with customization are of limited applicability. Second, highly technical algorithms. They may be too complicated for non-technical users, even if this complexity is shielded from users via friendly interfaces. Users still need traceability to have confidence in the results. Third, advanced information delivery. The analytic applications must possess intelligent interpretive delivery of results. Output should be designed with users' attention and management. Lastly, evolving requirements. Applications should be agile enough to adapt to changes in data sources, changes in analytic methods, and changes in business processes. Next slide. And here are its queries and reporting. So queries can reports uh, queries and reports are complementary analytical functions that assist non-technical users in data analysis. Queries search data based on specific conditions and return raw data, while reports present data in a readable and easy to use format. And for self-service business intelligence, the use of simple query and report tools is commonplace as they can often provide insights into underlying reasons for business results. As for spreadsheets, a democratic tool that provides considerable freedom to its users independently of rigid common systems. Simple and easy to learn. There's no need for IT education. Ambiguous software. A Swiss Army knife that keeps getting more powerful with features approaching those of specialized business intelligence tools. Ad hoc analysis may be performed by users anytime as needs arise, without the need to wait for static, regular reporting of centralized systems. Such fast analysis may enable users to get the insights as fresh as possible. Its common platform and standards to facilitate sharing, reduce load for centralized systems. Next slide.
Okay. This one is business analytics, analytical methods. Next slide. So we have different type of methods of business analytics. First one is data mining. This refers to process of discovering patterns, extracting insight from large data sets. It involves techniques like clustering, classification, regression, and acceleration rule mining to find meaningful relationship and trends. Second one, we have big data analytics. This deals with analyzing massive volume of structured and unstructured data from diverse sources at high velocity. The three versus volume, variety, and velocity characterize big data and present unique challenges in storage, processing, and analysis. Third one, we have descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. First one is summarize past data to understand what has happened. Predictive analytics use statistical models and machine learning to forecast future outcomes or behavior. Prescriptive analytics recommends optimal decision or action based on the descriptive and descriptive insight. Number four, we have augmented analytics. This is an approach that automates data analysis processes using machine learning, natural language processing, or NLP. It aims to make data analytics more accessible, efficient by automating tasks like data preparation, insight generation, explaining result in natural language. The last one, we have web analytics. This involves collecting, measuring, analyzing, and reporting data related to website users, such as traffic users, user behavior, performance metrics. This is to understand, optimize web experience for better user engagement and conversations. Next slide. This one is data mining methods. There are lots of different methods for data mining. The data mining fall into following groups like classification, use of user-defined classes that are derived from data attributes belonging to objects of insight to assign the newly arrived object for a certain class. Next one, we have clustering. Clustering is segment of object partition due to their similarities or proximity. Next one is association. Association is discovery of pattern based on repeating groups of items from a common collection or association rule mining. Next one is forecasting, uh, elimination of future data value using session techniques. Next one is anomaly detection. Anomaly detection, identification of unconventional events or observation that differ significantly from the rest of the data. Next one, and the last one is visualization. Visualization is a use of graphical technique to support interruption and evolution of result. Next slide. This one is Evan.
The third analytical method that we mentioned previously is descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive. Descriptive analytics answer the question what has happened and are based on statistical methods that analyze past data to produce insights of what exactly happened. A predictive analytics is an area of data analytics that deals with extracting information from data and using it to predict future trends and behaviors. A prescriptive analytics are intended to answer questions like what should we do or what is the best course of action under these circumstances. A powerful tool whose potential is best utilized in situations that are typical for a known class of models is called modeling technologies. There are different types of models in modeling technologies, which are optimization, simulation, heuristics, and forecasting. The modeling softwares are mentioned to be MATLAB, GAMS, AnyLogic, and Excel extensions.
Okay, thank you, Evan, Canon, and Elsa, to, today's presentation about business intelligent technologies and business analytical methods. And thank you all for listening.